Do you want to know how you can log into your Principal Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Principal Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or OS browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Principal Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Principal Mutual Fund. Go ahead and write down your username, click next, and then after a while you can see a password will open up. Go ahead and write down your password, check your password by clicking on this eye icon, click verify, and then if your username and password are valid, you can now log into your Principal Mutual Fund account. Let me show it to you once again. Go to Google, search for Principal Mutual Fund login, click on the first link and it will take you to this page where you can see username. You can write down your username, click next, write down your password, click sign in, and then you can sign into your Principal Mutual Fund account. If you have forgotten your username or password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you are a new user and want to register, go ahead and click this link and you can create a Principal Mutual Fund account now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.